today we are going to do some homogeneous type of problem, and today's question is, if u is sine inverse x square plus y square divided by x plus y, then so that x del u by del x, y del u by del y equals to tan u. Okay. So this type of question will ask in your exam for the 7 to 8 marks, girls. Okay, either 7 marks or 8 marks if it is a homogeneous type. So how can we solve such this type of questions? First you see what is the order. So to find the order of this equation, you just convert it like this: u equal to sine inverse. Okay, so you put x square common, and then you have 1 plus x square by y square, and the same way in the denominator while taking the x common, you have 1 plus y by x. Okay, so cancelling this x, you are left with sine inverse x into 1 plus x by y whole square and divided by 1 plus y by x, like this. Okay, so here the power of x is what? 1. So this we call, this is a homogeneous equation of order 1, only just because we have a x to the power 1. So you are looking in this as a homogeneous equation. Okay, homogeneous equation of order 1. So to solve such these type of equation, and by with the help of Euler's theorem, what we see, Euler's theorem says that if the order is 1, then what we will find? X del u by del x plus y del u by del y equal to 1 into u. यही ना होता है हमारा. This one is the Euler's formula. Euler's formula. But here in this question, the question is given in terms of inverse. So how can we solve such inverse function? So first we convert this as sine u equal to x 1 plus x by y, okay, and divided by 1 plus, sorry, y by x. Here it is y by x, not x by y. It is y by x, sorry girls. And again we have y by x. And let we put this whole term as v, some name say v. So if we apply the Euler's theorem here in this equation, then we just make a small change in our Euler's formula, and that is x del v by del x, y del v by del y equal to 1 into v. Is that clear what we have done, girls? Is it clear what I have done? While changing this equation, we put this term as v, then we use the Euler's theorem in terms of v. Is it clear? Do reply, girls. Now, अब हमें क्या करना है? हमें यहाँ से del v by del x फाइंड करने हैं, then del v by del y फाइंड करने हैं. So, put this as equation number 1. और अब ये वाला फॉर्मूला को आप यहाँ लिख लीजिएगा, ठीक है? So this one is the formula we are going to use here in terms of v. Now, differentiating one partially with respect to x. We did. So while differentiating sine u with respect to x, what we have? Cos u and then del u by del x. Then del u by del x equal to, in differentiating v, we have del v by del x. Is that clear now, girls? Is it clear? Any doubt? No. Okay. So now again we differentiate this one. Now, again differentiating one partially, okay, with respect to y. So what we get, girls? What we have? Y differentiating with y. Again we have cos u and then del u by del y, and we have del v by del y. Is it clear? Is that clear to you all? यहाँ तक सभी को क्लियर है? ओके. Now, since V is a homogeneous equation, V is a homogeneous equation of order 1, therefore by Euler's theorem, what we will write as x del v by del x, y del v by del y equal to what? 1 into v. यही लिखेंगे ना हमारे यूलर्स थ्योरम से. तो ये हमें मिल गया हमारे यूलर्स थ्योरम के हेल्प से. So now we are going to put the value of del v by del x and del v by del y in equation number 2. ओके. अब इक्वेशन नंबर 2 में हम लोग क्या करेंगे? उसको ऐड करेंगे. तो ऐड करेंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा? So now putting the value into we have. Now putting the value into we have. So what we have, girls? X into what is del u by del x? Del v by del x is cos u del u by del x. Now we are going to put this value cos u del u by del x. Then we have plus y into what is your del v by del y? So del v by del y is cos u del u by del y. So this is cos u del u by del y and equal to. Now you just remember, girls, whenever you are going to put the value, you just keep all the values in terms of u, not in terms of v. While we are putting the value of v, we want to change all the respective terms in terms of u. Okay. So again we are going to put the value of v. So what we have, v, girls? V equal to sine u. In terms of this, v is your sine u. So now I will put the sine u here. Now this simplifies. So now taking the cos u common from here, what we have? Now taking the cos u common, we have x del u by del x from the first term. From here what we have? Y del u by del y, and this is equals to sine u. Now this simplifies. X del u by del x plus y del u by del y equal to sine u divided by cos u, and this is your tan u. So see, girls, what we have to prove? We have to prove this one. Now we are getting the result. So therefore x del u by del x, y del u by del y is your tan u. This one we are going to prove, and we have proved this one. So now this one is proved. Is it okay, girls? Any doubt? तो ये रूल आपने कब अप्लाई? whenever you have a given question in the homogeneous form. जब भी homogeneous form में हो, ओके, तब हम ये अप्लाई करेंगे. या फिर इनवर्स में क्वेश्चन दिया हो. अगर इनवर्स में कोई क्वेश्चन दिया है, देन वी यूज दिस टाइप ऑफ थ्योरम. क्योंकि देखो इनवर्स है, इनवर्स को हमने क्या किया? साइन में कन्वर्ट कर लिया. जैसे वो साइन यू में कन्वर्ट हुआ, हमने उसको एक नाम दे दिया v, और तब ये हमारे लिए बहुत इजी हो गया कैलकुलेट करना. So take a screenshot, girls, so that I will do the next question. Any doubt, girls? Anything you want to ask? So the last question from this chapter. Next is the verification of the Euler's theorem. This is the application of the Euler's theorem. Next is the verification of the Euler's theorem. Okay. Verify Euler's theorem for, when u equal to x q log y by x. तो ये हमारा क्वेश्चन. तो अगर ये हमारा क्वेश्चन है, दैट मीन्स व्हाट वी हैव टू प्रूव गर्ल्स, यूलर्स थ्योरम वेरीफाई करना है. मतलब क्या निकालना है हमें क्या शो करना होगा इस इक्वेशन से. यूलर्स थ्योरम क्या कहता है? यूलर्स थ्योरम क्या कहता है? अगर डिग्री हमारा कितना है, ऑर्डर 3 है, x टू द पावर व्हाट 3 है, तो हमें क्या प्रूव करना है? x डेल u बाय डेल x, y डेल u बाय डेल y की वैल्यू कितनी होगी? 3 इंटू यू. यही है ना फॉर्मूला हमारा, n इंटू यू. जितना ऑर्डर होता है उतना हम लोग उससे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. अगर n ऑर्डर का होता था तो हम लिखते थे n इंटू यू, बट हियर इट इज ऑफ ऑर्डर 3. और कितनी है? 3 है. तो 3 है तो हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? 3 इंटू यू. सो दिस वन वी हैव टू प्रूव. अगर ऐसा आ जाता है, दैट मीन्स दिस प्रूव्स दैट दिस वन वेरीफाई द यूलर्स थ्योरम. तो ये हमें यहाँ पे प्रूव करना है. करते हैं प्रूफ. सो लेट्स डू द सॉल्यूशन गर्ल्स. तो फर्स्ट इज वी हैव, क्या दिया है हमें दिया है u का वैल्यू, और u की वैल्यू कितनी है? एक्स क्यू लॉग वाई बाई एक्स. ओके. सो फर्स्ट व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड? डेल u बाय डेल एक्स. सो डिफरेंशिएटिंग वन partially with respect to x. So while differentiating with respect to x, what we get girls? What is our del u by del x? From here it is 3x square, and then the function of u into v. So we are having log, what we will write? बोलिए, log y by x. Then plus, अब एक्स क्यू को एज इट इज छोड़ेंगे और क्या मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? देखिए, अगर log y by x है, that means this is what? log y minus log x. This much is log y minus log x, and here we are going to differentiate partially with respect to what? x. तो x के रिस्पेक्ट में जब डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे हैं तो y का टर्म हमारा क्या होगा? एज अ कांस्टेंट ट्रीट करेगा, वो हो जाएगा 0, और इसीलिए यहाँ पे क्या बच जाएगा? While differentiating log x, we are having minus 1 by x. So we are writing here minus 1 by x. क्यों? क्योंकि log y 0 हो गया और इसके लिए मुझे बचा minus 1 by x. यहाँ देखो, अगर इसको डिफरेंशिएट करते तो ये 0, यहाँ से क्या हो जाएगा? ये 1 by x. So this will give you the minus 1 by x. I have just write it here minus 1 by x. Is it clear, girls? Any doubt? Okay. So this much. Now what we have to do? We are going to multiply with this x. So now multiplying with the x, what we have? x del u by x. x से multiply करेंगे इस equation में. So while multiplying with the x, what we have? x से यहाँ भी multiply करेंगे, so 3x क्यूब हो जाएगा. और जब यहाँ multiply करेंगे x से, तो x और x कैंसिल होके मुझे क्या मिलेगा? x क्यूब. मतलब मिल गया माइनस टाइम्स x का क्यूब. Put this equation number 2. Again differentiate. Yes. x to the power होगा और नीचे क्या है? x है. तो कैंसिल आउट करेंगे एक x को, तो क्या मिलेगा? वापस x क्यूब मिलेगा. क्लियर ना? Again differentiating 1 partially with respect to y. तो y के रिस्पेक्ट में जब डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे फिर कितना मिलेगा यहाँ से, देखो डेल u बाई डेल y एक्स क्यू। अब यहाँ पे पहले y के रिस्पेक्ट में है तो चलो एक्स क्यू को ही डिफरेंशिएट कर लेते हैं। एक्स क्यू को y के रिस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे क्या मिलेगा, 0 इंटू लॉग y बाई एक्स प्लस एक्स क्यू को छोड़ देंगे एज इट इज। अब इसे डिफरेंशिएट करना है y के रिस्पेक्ट में, ये कितना है log y माइनस log x है, तो log y को जब डिफरेंशिएट तो 1/y मिल गया और ये मिल गया c। तो मतलब हमें कुछ मिला यहाँ से माइनस x³ डिवाइडेड बाय y। अब इस y को अगर हम इधर ले आए तो ये ऑटोमेटिकली y डेल u बाय डेल y बन जाएगा, जो वैल्यू हम लोग सर्च कर रहे थे, ऐसा मिल गया हमें। सो पुट दिस एज इक्वेशन नंबर 3। लेकिन यूलर से हमें क्या प्रूफ करना है, हमें तो ये प्रूफ करना है कि x डेल u बाय डेल x प्लस y डेल u बाय डेल y की वैल्यू कितनी होनी चाहिए, 3 इंटू यू। ये हमें प्रूफ करना है। तो ये प्रूफ करने के लिए हमें ये चीज देखना होगा कि ये वैल्यू अभी कितना होता है, तो हम चेक करते हैं। नाउ एडिंग 2 एंड 3, नाउ एडिंग 2 एंड 3, तो क्या मिला, 2 और 3 को ऐड करेंगे तो यहां से x डेल u बाय डेल x, इसके साथ y डेल u बाय डेल y के साथ क्या मिल गया, राइट साइड 3x³ log y बाय x, यहाँ पे माइनस x³, यहाँ से प्लस x³, ये कैंसिल, क्या हो गया जी, इसकी वैल्यू कितनी है, देखो तो x³ log y बाय x कितना है, u है ना। सो कैन आई राइट दिस वन एज 3 टाइम्स u, लिख सकते हैं। ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू राइट 3 टाइम्स u, कहाँ से, तो फ्रॉम 1 से। तो मुझे मिल गया x डेल u बाय डेल x, y डेल u बाय डेल y की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई, 3 टाइम्स u आ गया, और यही हमें प्रूव करना था। एंड दिस विल वेरीफाई दैट कि यहाँ यूलर्स थ्योरम मेरा अप्लाई हो रहा है। तो अभी क्या लिखेंगे, यहाँ लिखेंगे हेंस u is a homogeneous function, होमोजीनियस फंक्शन कितने डिग्री का है, ऑफ डिग्री 3, yes, of degree 3, and hence the given function satisfy Euler's theorem, and hence the given function satisfies Euler's theorem। समझ में आया गर्ल्स, कोई डाउट इस क्वेश्चन में, एनी डाउट गर्ल्स। तो क्वेश्चन कैसे भी पूछ सकते हैं आपसे, वेरीफाई करने के लिए भी पूछ सकते हैं, आपको प्रूफ दैट भी पूछ सकते हैं, या फिर ये पूछ सकता है कि आपका डिग्री कितना। जैसे अगर ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन आपको आता है एग्जाम में, तो आपको ये वाले इक्वेशन दे दिया जाएगा एंड देन दे विल आस्क कि व्हाट इज द डिग्री ऑफ द होमोजेनियस इक्वेशन, या फिर अगर ये होमोजेनियस इक्वेशन है तो कैन दिस इक्वेशन सेटिस्फाई द यूलर्स थ्योरम, क्वेश्चन मार्क में आपका यस नो ट्रू फॉल्स समथिंग इस टाइप का भी हो सकता है। तो आई थिंक अभी ये क्लियर हो गया सभी को, किसी को कोई डाउट है तो पूछिए। Okay, so regarding this chapter we have done almost all the questions. Okay, so if now any doubt then ask me right now। कोई डाउट गर्ल्स regarding this chapter? So shall we start the new chapter or you want to go with some more questions? Yes, okay, okay, I'll so let's do one more question so that those who are joining right now We can do some more questions. Okay. So I'm going to write a question. You all solve these questions and give me a solution. So write the question, girls. Shall I remove? So write the question, girls. This one is very very important regarding your final term examinations. Okay. The question is like this. If u equal to sec inverse x square plus y square divided by x minus y, prove that x del u by del x, y del u by del y equal to cot u. Okay, this one question. So how can we solve this question, girls? How can we solve this question? Can we go with the homogeneous rule or we can solve this with the normal form? Is possible to solve this question with the normal form? Okay, what happen if we go for the normal? जैसे हम लोग करते हैं सिंपल कैसे अगर करेंगे तो see girls, yeah, very lengthy, not lengthy, is very lengthy. Why? We have a sec inverse function by function. So while differentiating the sec inverse, you get some root. First one. Yes, yes. Varenya, what happened? Varenya, what happened, Varenya? Then mute yourself, now. Okay. So while solving this such type, whenever you have some inverse function, you just put that inverse into some trigonometric form so that it is possible or it is very easy to solve with the help of homogeneous. So what we do first, we will write this one as sec inverse x square plus y square divided by x minus y. Okay, and this implies sec u equal to what? X square plus y square divided by x minus y. Now we check the order of such differential equation. कि what is the order of this function? Okay, of this function. So to know the order of this function, we just take x outside, so x square. So 1 plus y by x whole square. Okay, and in the denominator we are having x common, then 1 minus y by x. So x and this x getting cancelled. So what we have? We have sec u equal to x 1 plus y by x whole square divided by 1 minus y by x. So whatever be the degree of this x, either it is 1, it is 2 or 3, whatever the degree of x you are getting, this is known as the order of this function. So what we will write? Let's put this equation as v. Say v. So what we say here, v is a homogeneous function. Okay, homogeneous function of degree what? कितने डिग्री का हो गया? Of degree 1. In the previous question we have 3. So we writing here the u is a homogeneous function of degree 3. But यहाँ पे हमें कितना मिला? 1 मिला. वहाँ पे 3 मिला था. So what we have to find, girls? If it is 3 1, then what is the Euler's theorem? क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे बोलिए? Yes. So hence applying Euler's theorem for the function v, we have, हमें क्या मिलेगा? हमें मिल जाएगा x del v by del x, y del v by del y equal to 1 into v. Put this as equation number 1 to whatever you want to write. I am just writing here 1, so you are right. So now next what we have to find? Now del v by del x, del v by del y. So what is v? V is your sec u. So find del v by del x and del v by del y, girls. So what is del v by del x, girls? Differentiating to partially with respect to x and y we get. What we get, girls? What is del v by del x? What is differentiation of sec u? Sec u tan u and then del u by del x. Yes. And what about del v by del y? Sec u tan u del u by del y. Now we are going to put these two values in equation number 1. So take a screenshot, girls. जिनका नहीं हुआ स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए, हम आगे बढ़ेंगे. Shall I erase? Okay. Now, now putting the value of del v by del x, putting the value of del v by del x and del v by del y in equation number 1. In equation number 1. So while putting these two values in equation number 1, what we have? X into this one, sec u tan u del u by del x plus y into again sec u tan u del u by del y equal to what is v? V is your sec u. So again we are going to put the value of this one. Sec. Now sec u is common. So we are having x del u by del x, y del u by del y. Yes. Tan u is also common. I'll write it here. Now sec and sec getting cancelled. So what we have? So we are having x del u by del x, y del u by del y as 1 by tan u, and this is your part. Is that the function we are having? We have to prove. नहीं prove करना था हमें. And this is the given result. So what we will write? Therefore, x del u by del x, y del u by del y equal to 40. So it becomes very easy now while we are using the homogeneous rule. If we are not going to use the homogeneous, then it will become very complicated. और ऐसा भी हो सकता था कि हम 4-5 स्टेप के बाद इसको छोड़ देते. अब हमसे नहीं होगा solution. Let's do some other questions. Okay. So don't do this. If you have to ask this question in your exam, use this type of method and solve this one. Okay. And this question is definitely going to ask in your exams, in university exams. बहुत important है और हर बार आता है. Okay. So any doubt, girls, regarding this chapter? Okay, I'll say the question. Okay. टीचमेंट में भी डाल दूंगी और आपके व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में भी डाल दूंगी. Okay. You can see from both the ways. With answers. Okay. Let's do one thing. You just solve the question. I'll give the answer after 2 days. Okay, 1 or 2 days. And one more thing, girls, I want to ask. Are you free on the Wednesday and the Thursday at 11? Or do you have classes? Yes. Actually, I want to cover your syllabus very fast. That's why I'm asking. Okay, not to be worried. Let's do with our syllabus. Whatever we have. Okay. So thank you, girls. And one by one, we can switch from this class. Yes. It's already done. Okay. No need to write. You all just try to write your name and the roll number in the bracket so that it will be convenient for me. Okay. Some of you have written your roll number in the bracket, but not all of you. I have mentioned that you must write your roll number like Amrita and then bracket 2. So it will be easy for me na, to know with your roll number. Anyway, girls, I'll cover up it. Okay. Okay. So switch from your classes. Now you have some other classes. Okay. Bye, girls. Okay. Bye.